Hello and a heartfelt welcome to our channel, Color Petals. Color Petals is all about spreading creativity and sharing the joy of art and craft. So if you're looking for inspiration, fun DIY projects, and a supportive community of fellow creators, you're in the right place. DIY wall decor. DIY wall hanging. Canvas art. Pencil drawing. Oil pastel drawing. Cute clay craft. Renewing old things. School hacks. Best out of waste. And many more art and craft activities. Don't wait. Click subscribe now and be a part of the Color Petals family. We love hearing from our new viewers and can't wait to create beautiful art and craft together with you. Stay inspired! Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp for daily doses of creativity and updates. Link on the description below.